So a fairly established way of testing blades is to chop rope. Now, I've never actually tried this myself. So this rope is about roughly 40 mils thick. It's kind of a natural hemp stuff. Something I was going to throw in the bin, so what I might just try and do is just see how difficult or easy it is to chop them with the knives. So this one was the one that was sharpened on my 2x48 grinder, and like I said, I never tried this before, so I'll just give it a quick go. Oh yeah. So these knives that I've made, obviously small little ones, and basically they're intended for sort of chopping everyday stuff like string and cardboard and paper and stuff like that. So it seems to work. It's not easiest, and I imagine this will probably need a bit of a sharpen afterwards. But it is cutting. I said I've not done this before, so here's the knife. So 1, 2, 3 big chunks of rope. Cut through with that. I should have measured the time on it. Oh, still fairly keen afterwards, right? Okay, so that one there was the one I did on the belt sander. Next up, we've got one done on the Tormek. This is a bit more toothy. Okay, so because it's toothier, yeah. Okay, so that's the Tormek. Next up, one done with the wicked edge, polished edge. Hi, how you doing?
How's your son?
My thumb.
No, wasn't your son had
Oh,
an
yeah.
accident or something?
Yeah, no, he managed to cut his hand by walking through the glass on the front of the house, and had to go to hospital during lockdown.
Yeah.
Which was scary, and
Yeah.
he's had stitches and operation because there was a whole pile of glass stuck in his. So a bit of reality was intruded upon the video. So this one, 101, Tisprof. Let's see what this one's like. Oh, interesting. Cutting well, polished edge, this one, well, not super polished. Okay, so I need to check, but pretty sure this one was the worst. This was the first one I did, and that was the one that done on the bench, or the, sorry, not the bench, the knife maker's 2x48 belt sander. Then this one was really good, the Tormek edge. This one went well, and then I think this one just now did really well, although I don't know, it certainly did the cleanest cut. I guess that's the difference. That sort of edge just cut through it, whereas the other one's kind of hacked through it a little bit. Yeah. And like I said, I think they're all still pretty sharp. Bit of paper. To check what paper. use it well. So Tisproff, very happy with that. This one cut paper. Let me see. Not as well. There we go. So, look at edge. Tormek, a toothy edge. Try this side. Oh yeah, no, just does okay. And then finally, the 2x48. This cut. This one had the most trouble. And normally I wouldn't leave an edge just with this. Oh, here we go, we can get it started maybe. Okay. Well, you can get it to cut, but no, I can, now I'm paying more attention. There's definitely a blunt spot up there. So, big thick rope with a wee knife. I think it works better when you've got primary and then a secondary edge, or a secondary and a primary, however you want to call it. This one basically just has one edge going all the way in and needs some work. Hold on, what if we give it a quick, and just give it a little strop just on the wood of the bench, and final test, can I do it? The edge had rolled a little bit, so it can be restored just by a bit of a strop. That's the advantage of 01 over a lot of metals, is that it bends rather than chips, and so just a bit of stropping, even without compound or a proper strop, just on the edge of the bench, could be a stick in the forest, your belt, end of your shoes, cut, gets it back. Okay guys, that pretty much concludes it. We might have a chat about it all at the end, but I'll block off now. Cheers.